Leonardo AI is actually one of the best image prompt generator right here. So guys, if you want to simply create an amazing image making use of the Leonardo AI image generation tool, you want to simply watch this tutorial to the very end. So right here guys, on Leonardo.ai, you want to simply create an account right here with no credit card needed, and it's going to take you right onto this page right here, whereby you can easily just create amazing images that looks exactly like this right here by simply just giving this a prompt, and it's just going to generate an amazing images right here. So right here guys, go onto the image generation and it's going to go right onto this page. So right here guys, you want to simply enter a prompt, and this is just going to generate an awesome image for you. So right here guys, you can easily just type in something like this: a young girl dancing. So let's simply make use of this right here and go on to generate. And as you can see right here, it's going to generate an amazing images right here for us. So that is it for the simply just giving the same prompt. And you can also get a lot of prompt by going onto the prompt generation tool right here. So if you go onto the prompt generation right here guys, I'm just going to go right here. You want to simply just enter a basic prompt idea, and it's just going to ideate this, and it's just going to generate a lot of prompts right here. So guys, if I simply enter this and I put in a dog, something like this, and simply go on to ideate, and it's just going to give me 4 different prompt ideas right here that I can easily make use of. So before we do just that, let's go on to the generation history and see right here guys, I simply put in a prompt about a young girl dancing, and Leonardo AI was able to create these amazing images right here for me. So if you go onto the prompt generation and simply just generate any of this right here, I'm simply just going to generate the first one right here, and let's see what this can actually give to us. So using Leonardo.ai, you want to simply just give this a little prompt right here, and it's just going to generate an amazing images for us. So as you can see, I was able to generate an amazing images right here. I just simply need to put in a simple basic prompt, which is a dog in the street, and they were able to generate this prompt ideas for me, and I was able to create this right here by just putting it in a simple prompt ideas. So if you want to simply make use of this AI tool called Leonardo, you want to simply go on through the step that I have showed you right here on this video for you to be able to make use of one of the best AI image generation tools right here. So guys, you want to simply unleash your creativity with the power of this AI tool called Leonardo.ai.